This is a video demonstration of heat welding the G6 and G6 800 roof blankets using a Leicester hot air handgun with a fishtail nozzle and also using a silicone rubber roller, pressure roller, in order to effect the weld. The roof blanket has PVC with glass fibre tissue on the back, and the pressure of the roller forces the melted PVC through the tissue onto the PVC membrane below. The heat setting on the gun needs to be on about number 8. Pressure forces the PVC to effect the weld as complete.